Thanks so much for helping us all learn these new skills, Twilight.
Always glad to pass on my love of learning for learning's sake.
Only I'm afraid I'll never get the hang of this potion making.
Did you follow the magic plant growing formula I gave you?
Well, more or less.
Well, let's try it out on this apple seedling and see how we do.
Oh, I hope this works.